Hey guys, Wade from the Cambridge Woodwork School. I guess some of you may have noticed that I'm a man of mature years. Let's leave it there, shall we? And I did have a life before the Cambridge Woodwork School. And I thought by way of you getting to know me a little bit better, I'll put a little bit of meat on those bones for you. So it really all started when I was age 22, when I started a construction company with my father. And that really has been my life's work, building that business. Now, a couple of years ago, I went for a succession to the next generation, to my 5 sons, who now run that business and a property business as well. So as that was kind of winding down for me, I got into business mentoring. So I work with business owners in any sector, and I help them scale their businesses and sort out problems for them. And I love that kind of work. And then after that, it's really been the thought process about setting up the woodwork school. My construction company has always had a joinery business. I've always been around wood my whole life. I'm a carpenter by trade, and I've made furniture in my kind of weekends all of my life. So a lot of experience there. But in the meantime, over the last 5 years, I've written 3 books, and I thought I'd introduce you to these books now. So the first book is this. It's called 50 Skills, the Entrepreneur's Handbook. So it's what it says. It's everything you need to design, start, grow, and protect your business. It's part personal development skills and part hard business skills. And it's been very well received by business owners that have read it. And I think the reviews are quite good. Anyone looking to scale their business, I think it's quite a good read. The next book I read was this one. It's called The School Leaver's Guide to Money. And this was my little attempt to give young people and not so young people advice on how to use money properly. And let's face it, the education system does not do that, and it's wrong. And this is my little attempt to address that situation. I'll go through lots of stuff in here, like different investment strategies, how to invest in property, gold, silver, which is surprisingly easy, crypto, stock market, and other strategies. And it's an attempt to change the person's mindset, to help them understand how to use money effectively, with the idea of gathering considerable wealth, if that's what you want in your life. And we all know that wealth isn't the most important thing. Health and relationships are, but money does help, let's be honest about it. The third book is a bit niche. It's called The Art and Science of Construction Estimating. And really, that was an attempt for me to empty my brain of 30 years worth of pricing building works. And it's called The Art and Science because I've realised over the years that the most important thing about pricing building works, and I suppose any work really, is the looking for the angle, the kind of art side of it, the thing that everyone else misses. What have you found that your competitors haven't found? A cheaper way of doing it, a different process or whatever. So I realised that I think about 80% of it is the art side of it, and about 20% is the raw figures, the kind of science side of it. So that's me. So that's a little bit about my past life. Obviously, that means if you join me here on any of our workshops, you get free business mentoring as well. So wish me luck for tomorrow. It's my first course. I've got 6 people here at 9 o'clock in the morning, and I will catch you on the next one.